Hello everyone, I am Sai and welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's video to show you how you can actually force the LTE signals in your Android device. Yes friends, you can actually force to only keep the LTE signals in any Android device. So right now you can see I'm getting the 3G signal, as you can see. So in this location I'll be getting even the LTE signal as well, but sometimes the SIM automatically switches to the 3G. As you can see friends, right now it's happening same way, but I'll try to show you how you can actually force these signals to only get the LTE signal, not the 3G signal, which means only 4G. I'll try to show you how to do that. And this is a question which was asked by a couple of subscribers as well, how to get only 4G signals in the phone, because sometimes they're getting the 3G signals that's slowing down the internet speed. But let's see, in this video I'll try to show you friends how to get the 4G signal. Let me try to show you step by step. So first you need to download the application which is called the Force LTE, or there is some other Android codes available. If you want, you can use those codes, but still I'll try to prefer this application which is very easy and interface to use it. So as soon as you download this application, so there's an option which is called the method 2, as you can see, because right now I'm running the Android 11. So it also depends upon the what Android 11 or Android 10 or 9 you're using. So at this moment I'm running the Android 11 version in this phone. So right now, as you can see friends, I'm getting 3G signal in this phone, but in other phones I'm getting the 4G signal. That's another thing. That is the reason I thought of showing you. So when you click that second method, this will take you into this phone info. So as soon as you see that, try to click on this preferred network connectivity. As you can see, try to click only on that option. Don't try to select any option. Now click only LTE. So as soon as you click LTE, this will from 3G changes to only 4G. Let me just show you friends what will happen. As you can see, so I'm getting only 4G at this moment. As you can see friends, in this way you can actually you can force 4G in any Android device by downloading this application, which is really helpful for a lot of other users as well to get this kind of stable connection. So now my phone will be getting only VoL LTE, as you can see, to experience the really HD kind of quality, and in terms of the calling as well, everything. Even to use a VoL LTE calls. That is the main reason a lot of users they actually want the 4G only, not the 3G. So usually by default what it happens is that depending upon the signals, the phone will automatically switch from 4G to 3G sometimes, yes. But right now I'm trying to force only 4G signals to come in the Android device. So in this way you can actually experience even better network speed as well, slightly better network speed when compared with the before. That is what I did. I thought of just letting you all know. And that's it friends, thank you for watching this video. This is a small application which I thought of sharing with a lot of other users who are actually looking for this kind of how to force only 4G signals in any Android device. So that's it friends, thank you for watching, and see in the next video friends. Until then, stay tuned for more updates, and in this way you'll be able to get only 4G signals continuously in this Android device. See you in the next video friends. Until then, stay tuned. Bye.